Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is cranberry bread or cranberry loaf because I shaped it into love. It is like a tea bread or tea cake, but you can toast it and spread some butter or margarine. But of course, it is good to devour it as is. You can slice it, just eat it, but again, you can toast it. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! For the dry ingredients, this is 2 cups of enriched flour with 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a generous pinch of fine sea salt. We're just gonna mix it. Into the dry ingredients, add in 2 times 3/4 cup of fresh cranberries, and we're just gonna mix it. Now for the wet ingredients, this is 280 grams of our homemade turo farmer's cheese, 1 whole egg. This is 1 tub of strawberry yogurt, and this is 1/4 cup of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Almost forgetting 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now that the wet ingredients are combined, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients and we're gonna mix it until just combine. So not overmix. Do not overmix. Again, do not overmix, but you want all the dry ingredients to be wet. Once mixed, dump the batter or thick batter into a loaf pan or a bun pan. And if you still have some of fresh cranberries, you can just press them here and there. We're gonna bake it at 375 until knife inserted comes out clean. Take out bread from the loaf pan and just cool it on the rack. You can glaze this bread obviously with lemon glaze or whatever glaze you like, or even white chocolate, melt drizzle of white chocolate. Or you can serve it as is, but this is super hot at the moment, so I will slice it once it's cooled down and show you. Again, you can have glaze on the bread or cake or as is.